Welcome to the Western Pacific. I'm Sochi, and I'll be your guide on this expedition. Joining me today is my colleague.
Hello. I'm Dev, the scuba diving expert.
It's Dev's first time on the live stream, so all the best. It's beautiful. Aren't you intimidated by the blue whale? It is coming right near you.
I'm mesmerized by this majestic creature. Still trying to learn from her and understand her behavior.
Hello Priya, you're welcome to the live stream. Our oceans deserve love, not harm. Trash-trapped sharks, turtles and whales' lives are being threatened by unsustainable human activities. Let's protect these majestic creatures and their homes. If you agree, please leave your suggestions in the comments section.
Oceanic ecosystem and its creatures are no less than magic. It takes years of patience to understand the science of ocean.
Now it's time to come back. Viewers, hope you've enjoyed this expedition. Dev and Sochi signing off.